Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos toppings. First, select a sturdy base of tortilla chips. Thicker chips hold up best. Next, choose your cheese. A blend of cheddar and Monterey Jack melts beautifully, creating that classic gooey texture. Finally, prepare your protein. Seasoned ground beef, shredded chicken, or even black beans make excellent choices. This foundation is key for delicious nachos. Now, let's add some fresh elements. Dice up ripe tomatoes, crisp red onions, and thinly sliced jalapenos for a burst of flavor and a bit of heat. A generous scoop of homemade or store-bought guacamole adds a creamy, rich dimension that's simply irresistible. Don't forget your salsa. Whether you prefer a mild pico de gallo or a fiery habanero, it ties all the flavors together perfectly. To complete your nacho masterpiece, a drizzle of cool sour cream or Mexican crema is essential. It provides a lovely contrast to the warm, savory toppings. A sprinkle of freshly chopped cilantro adds a bright, herbaceous note that really elevates the dish. For those who love a little extra tang and heat, pickled jalapenos are a fantastic addition. These final touches bring everything into perfect balance. Ready to get creative? Explore toppings like roasted corn, sliced black olives, or crispy crumbled bacon for added texture and flavor. Don't be afraid to mix up your cheese choices. Pepper jack offers a nice kick, while cotija adds a salty, crumbly element. And speaking of fresh, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing, custom-made nachos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.